Good looking, so refined. Say, wouldn't you like to know what's going on in my mind? So let me get right to the point. I don't pop my cork for every guy I see. Big spender.
PTL in the building, baby. We live in Sydney, Australia, you feel me? Yeah. Hey, how do you pronounce that shit again?
This hit is Givenchy, $900 jeans, homie. All these girls be raunchy, like let me see your peen, homie. She trying to cause a scene, but I'm in Paris with my team, walking slow like I'm on lean. Then my nigga jewelry look so clean. I occasionally bought in Lambin. I ain't talking about Jim Jones, nigga. I'm talking about hooping up, special shirt, break bones. Fuck your Rolex, roll up, homie. Roll that kush, blow that, homie. Oh, stop that, the popo on me. Punch it out the window. See ya. We just getting saucy and RC, we bossy. Tryna bring back the turn, bling bling, cause we flossy. You brought snapbacks back, well that's a cool accomplishment. I'm on the other side, on the other globe in the conference.
Good looking, so refined.
We've been all over the world, baby.
Let's
get right to the point.
I don't pop my cork for every guy I see. Big spender.
Hey, I just bought a kangaroo in a leather jacket, man. I'm coming back to America swagging out. Let's go.
Fuck that shit, I'm too though. Pretty nigga, my juice go. Pinky ring and my tooth go. Yo, main bitch is my new hoe. Boss nigga like you go. Rolex or the Q blow. Niggas taking my screw flow. They tryna jack it like new clothes. Purple drink, make me move slow. Same shit, different day. Spanish bitch, she sniffing yay. She say that trigger tray. Like hit that strip, I'm flipping yay. Like fuck that shit, I'm getting paid. I fuck that bitch, I'm getting laid. I hope that bitch go different ways. I get 'em by. I'm getting by, till I roll that shit, I'm getting high. I'm tipping low, I'm sitting high. This young holla motherfucker getting fly. Purple lean, purple weed, got that shit, nigga, what you need? Me and Theo had a trio with these bitches from Belize.
Good looking, so refined. Say, wouldn't you like to know what's going on in my mind? So let me get right to the point.
Fuck that home, but I'm never home, not even in my continent. In a time I can't pronounce this shit. This is more than confidence. Fuck your continental breakfast. You incompetent. My nickname international. My accent changed by accident. This is Soho House with your phone away. I don't give a fuck who your protege. I'm from Brooklyn, I fuck with Jay. Time to time now, chill with gay. Dance no mind, nigga, they pause. Bitches so fly like, oh my gosh. Yeah, we selling our girls money yelling out. Caking cause they born, nigga, need a new hobby, need a new body. You the writer, you the new hottie. You a stylist, waiting my lobby. Nigga back saying dance like Bobby. Tryna get like 2 kisses from my mommy. That ain't buck, bitch, that's wasabi. Tell Rich I'm the face of Tommy.